Let's do it Steve Jobs styles, shall we? Hello. Good morning, Shubhodaya and Eldrigo Namaskara. Date is 2nd June 2020. Time is around 11:30 a.m. Now today's vlog is going to be small and sweet. Let's go back to October 23rd, 2001. Yes, I just got a fact check on my laptop. So iPod, October 23rd, 2001 was the date when the first iPod was launched. Now who doesn't love music, right? Everyone loves music. But recently, if I'm not wrong, with the evolution of smartphones, how many of you are still using your iPods? Comment down below. Let's see how many of you are still using your iPods. So I still have my iPod Touch intact, which is around 7 to 8 years old. Now let's quickly do the unboxing. Let's do it Steve Jobs styles, shall we? Hello. Now this is an iPod Touch. It is somewhere around 7 to 8 years old. That is 2012-13. Now I'll show you. I've kept it neat so that times like these. Now it says classic stuff. This is a barcode. It says iPod Touch. It's an 8 GB variant. It says designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. Model is A1367, and there's a serial number. Hope let's focus. Yes. Now let's quickly open it. Again on the back, it says 8 GB variant and what all it includes. Okay, it includes iPod Touch, earphones, USB 2.0 cable, and it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, and it shows what are the requirements for this to be configured. Okay, now let's quickly open it. This is still the seal. If you see, I still have this intact. Ta-da! Now this is the iPod Touch. Now this is the iPod Touch, which came with the classic aluminium style backdrop. Look just like an iPhone back then, but yeah, it's very slim. It even has a camera as well. It's not that good compared to these days cameras, but yeah, it comes in handy. Now the back, it has the Apple logo and it says iPod, and here down it says 8 GB variant. It reflects, right? Oh my god, it reflects so much. It has a front webcam as well. Let's see what does the box have. Now first says designed by Apple in California. Again, the initial. I have all of these kept intact, so give a likes for that. First is your, says fingertips, start here. Basically shows how to set up and sync and how to access the iTunes store, how to go to home screen, how to access the App Store. We don't need that. Why? We are too intelligent for life. Next is the information guide and warranty information. We don't need that. Frankly, who reads a warranty card? Throw that. Next is the Apple sticker. Now, how many of you actually use this Apple sticker and where do you use it? Comment down below. And next, what do we have next? The earphones. Trust me, I haven't opened these earphones from the past 7 to 8 years. This, however, it is when it came in the box. So it is a 3.5 mm jack. The old type of earbuds. Yeah, nice. They don't have volume control though, but yeah, boom. No one uses. We buy an extra better earphones and use it. Why? We have paid so much for the iPod Touch. Why can't we pay a little more for a good earphones? Now this is the USB adapter. Now I've tried to bring it back to the state it was in when it came in the box. I've tried my level best. Now this is a USB type A to a 30-pin adapter. If you can see, this is a sync and charge cable. So let's remove the plastic because you get a good. one. Fairly long. This is used to sync your iPod Touch and charge it as well. Now this is the iPod. Let's power this baby up and see how it goes. Let's see if it has any juice. Now this is the power. Okay, let me just tell you about what all it has. So this is a 30-pin adapter for syncing and charging. Here is the 3.5 mm jack for your earphones. This is the volume rocker buttons up and down, and this is the power button. This is the back camera, and this is the front camera, and this is the classic home button. How many of you love the home button? With the iPhone 10 it stopped, right? Yeah, with the iPhone 10 the home button stopped. I personally love the home button. So let's see if this has any. Pressing and holding. Oh yeah, it has juice. Started. Now one thing I don't like about this iPod is the pins here, right? They are on the slanter surface, so it's a bit difficult to put in your 3.5 mm jack and the sync charging cable. I'll just show it to you. Generally if it is on a flat it is easier to put in any cable, but since this is on a slanter surface, let me just try to see, it won't go that easily. You have to, it's quite hard to just finally. It's a struggle every time. If you carefully notice, it's on the slant, it's not straight. Now this is straight, this is a bit slant. So this is on the classic. I'll unlock it. Yeah, this is the iPod. Now what all does it have? It has a camera, calendar, photos. Sorry, that was the FaceTime, and then the camera, videos, maps, weather, passbook, notes, reminders, clock, game center, newsstand, iTunes, app store, settings, and utilities. I won't go much further in, that's boring. So the question is, at this point of time, how many would still want to use this? Because now it's become very easier, right? For this, if you want to hear songs on this, you have to first download songs onto your computer or a Mac. That is, you have to either get a CD or download from online sources, then put it in your library, make a playlist with reference to that, and then connect your iPod to the system, and then again sync with that. It's a lot of messy, right? That was the procedure back then in the day. But how many of you would still go that mile to get this experience? Personally, I would love to go that mile, because a classic is always a classic. Now again, one more lame reason I would give you this is to save your smartphone battery. This will come in handy. I know that's lame, but yeah. So that was it. That was the quick unboxing and an overview of a 7-year-old iPod Touch. It is a Gen 5 iPod Touch. Yeah. So with that, we come to an end of today's vlog. Now coming to the like, comment, share, subscribe, bell. Hit the bell to get the notification whenever I upload a video. I'll try to upload as much as possible on a daily basis, but yeah, I'll be regular. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.